Hi everybody and welcome to another webinar with David from appdevelopers.biz. Today we're going to be looking at uploading your application to Android. This is for resellers only, as resellers will get access to their code so that they can upload unlimited apps. Right, okay, here we go. So we're on our control panel. This was the application that we built earlier. I've added some improvements to it. Right, so now we're going to go to publish my app as we're ready. As a reseller or a white label control panel, you will only need to add your password here. So I'll add a password. This is for the CMS which you will give to your client so they can update their application easily. And the number of push notifications that you want to limit them to per week. On general we add about 10, but you can add as many as you like. So now we save and publish, and we'll go to publish your app. Right, okay, what we have here is a list of links so that we can download the images which are pre-scaled to the correct sizes. Generate your apps for Android and iOS, and later on this month we'll have BlackBerry on there. Right, okay, so if I generate images, we can download the images that we'll need for the Play Store. Right, that's it. The robot's going to weigh and rescale all of them. I download the zip. And then if I go to generate apps, I'll be requested, would you like Android or iOS? So we're going to download Android. There you go, download archive. Perfect. So they've been downloaded onto my computer. I'm just going to drag them onto my desktop here. Perfect. Right, so I can close that window. Right, now you have two folders. You have the images that we downloaded and the Android code that we've put together. So I'm now going to open Eclipse. Eclipse is the piece of software that you'll need to upload your application to Android. We just simply open Eclipse. This is Eclipse I opened earlier. Right, let me make that slightly smaller. Okay, so right, we'll go to, in the top corner here, we'll go to the little icon in the corner, project, and then we'll go to Android, project from existing code, and then we'll go to our directory where we were on the desktop. We just open that up, and we press finish. And there you go, your first project's in here. I recommend renaming this project because you will have hopefully lots of projects in here and you'll need a different name. So you go to right mouse click on the project, rename, refactor, rename. Now do you want it to be biz.build apps dot and the name of the project, which was boxing app, and dot splash. Keep the dot splash for reference. That's perfect. Now the next thing that we need to do is, as the project is already 100% done inside, we just need to export the project to create the file. So we go to Android, export Android application. We give the name's already there because we gave it earlier, which is perfect. Then we go to create a new key on, and then a location, we'll give it a location. I'm going to put this on my desktop here. Right, so I'm going to call it key, and we save. Now, this key is to protect your application from anybody being able to edit or upload it. So we have to give it a password so that it will be encrypted. Next, this is the same as your application's name. So this is all for the certificate so that nobody can hack your application. Give it a password again. Number of years that this certificate is valid, I give it 999 years, so that's the maximum. And we're going to call this Dave. It's my name. Okay, there you go. And the destination will be my desktop once again. Now that will generate the application for us. Sorry about that, we didn't click finish. Perfect, right now, while that's generating, we'll go back to our browser window. And here we have our Android control panel. This is where we're going to be uploading our Android apps to. So by clicking here on Android Upload, we'll open our Android tab. This will open a list of all the applications where you have. We'll go add new application here, choose a language and a title. We're going to call this boxing app. Prepare a listing for the Android store. Right, okay, so we'll give it a description. This is a boxing app for a test. Perfect. Right, now these are the images that we were speaking about earlier. We have a high resolution icon which is on our desktop here. We have to go to desktop, the images that I downloaded here, Android, icon 512. Okay, and that's the high resolution icon. Next we have to go phone, and then we upload the splash screen, phone, and then the background. They're two representative images. We choose an application type which is application for every one of them. We also have to choose a category. We're going to put this one in sports, and a content rating, so everyone. Then we just have to add information about the website, etc. You can also add translation here. If we click save, as you can see over in the corner here, your tick has gone green, which means everything is fine. Right. That's perfect. It says that I have gone for the GB UK, but anyway, back on. Right, okay. So now, moving on to upload the APK file. Now, to upload the APK file, we just literally press upload your APK. APK file was the file that we generated in Eclipse earlier and saved. So we go here it is on the desktop as we saved it earlier, biz.buildapps.boxingapps/apk. So we save that. APK would be the equivalent to a exe file on Windows, etc. So there you go, that's completed. A very quick process. Perfect. Right, now we have to give your application a price. I've left buying for free. We're going to distribute it in every country. And then content guidelines and US law we agree with. Now if we save, as you can see, your application is now ready to publish. We click publish this app and we're ready to go. Hours for your application to show up in the App Store. You can probably download this app by looking for Boxing app within a couple of hours. Thanks for watching. I'm David from appdevelopers.biz. Any questions will be answered in the forum afterwards. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.